What is up, traders? Hope everybody's doing well. Weekly forecast here on NASDAQ. At this point, obviously we've swept above this buy side liquidity and closed above with a candle close. At this point, all-time highs is definitely within reach. On the weekly chart, we can see how we have this weekly close. We've respected this 4-hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, finally, and pushed out of this range and closed above. Does this mean that we're going to just automatically come and sweep? No. But since we're in this region, it's definitely within reach. And now we just have to keep that in mind, obviously, coming into the next week. On the daily time frame, same thing. We broke out of this range, closed above this buy side liquidity right here. The thing to note here is we're still in this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency from last year. Could price reverse from here, come back down, tap into this inefficiency, maybe even continue lower? Yes, and I do see that because of one thing. If we drop down to the 4-hour time frame, there's a lot of trend line liquidity that has been created with this kind of grinding push up, which wasn't smooth. So we can see all of this low right here, this low right here, this low right here, this, all these lows that I can't see all-time highs before these are swept. That doesn't mean that we're not going to see all-time highs. We could easily just see with one day this be swept and then that's it. But I do still keep in mind that, first of all, on the daily time frame, we do have an inefficiency here, which we can obviously come back down to. But if we inverse this daily inefficiency that we can see here, if we can inverse this daily inefficiency right here, I'm going to take off these for now. If we can inverse this inefficiency right here, which is this, and close below it and respect it, then I think my idea will pan out, which is to see all this sell side liquidity taken before we make all-time highs. But again, that's too early to talk about at this point. We want to see how this inefficiency holds price. If we do hold price and reject off of it, then obviously all-time highs is within reach, and it's definitely a logical level to consider. But if we inverse it, then what I would prefer to see is going to be the probable scenario to pan out, right? So big week ahead. There's a possibility that we might see all-time highs again. And if that happens, I mean, we could just shoot up straight. We can come back down, then shoot up, or we can inverse, and that will take much longer to happen, right? So that's going to be it for this weekly forecast. Hope you guys found this insightful. If you want more weekly, daily, post and pre-session analysis just like this, feel free to join my free Discord. Link is in the description. Also, if you're struggling with trading, if you're starting out, feel free to book a free discovery call. Link for that is going to be in the description to see if you qualify to join my mentorship. All right, that's going to be it. Hope you guys found this insightful, and until next time, stay safe and happy trading.